This seems a little familiar, don't you think?
Pizza!
Alright, teardown everybody. So what I did was that I just downloaded a bunch of mods today, and I have no idea. I got a friend to send me a bunch of mods to download. I downloaded all of them, and now I'm gonna play them. But I'm just a little worried that shit's gonna go wrong. Alright, so the boss thinks it's funny to fire me. Well, I got a taste of his mind. Excuse me. Excuse me. I said excuse me. Ah, whatever. Alright, boss. I'm busting in. Sorry about that. Park that in for later. Let's see here. What is this? Security drone. Fuck off. Bam! Bam! Office safe. Bam! Boring. Office safe. Boring! I already don't like you. Grade arcade reader. Shit! Shit! It's coming up! Haha! Idiot! Fucking loser! What? Shit! Haha! Oh. Hey, buddy! Oh no. Fucking loser. Can't get me from here. Idiot. Oh. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. Let me through. Okay. Good thing I made it out of there. Alive. Whoa. Bro's got his own freaking shop? What the hell? What they got for lunch specials? Today, butter chicken. Vegetarian alternative, but fucking hate vegetarian alternatives. Get out of here. Ooh. Now that's more like it. Is this the filet mignon? That is not the filet mignon. That is a plate. Stupid chairs, bro. That'll teach the boss to fire me. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, too. I hate these dead plants. Screw you. Can't take a shit now, can you? I can't even wash your hands. Ow. Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god. Oh no! What is that? What the fuck? Oh my god! Where is it? What the fuck is that thing? You've used your last haul, bitch! Run! No, I can't do this. It's so No! Let me out! What? 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 Go! Go! Oh my god, it's following me! I'm dead. I think that was enough for me today. Oh boy. Wow. First off, I just want to say, fuck this game. Alright then, motherfucker, you wanna play like that? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Fuck you!